Dang it, I just waxed this car. Hello, David here, and the project for today is removing the scuff mark from the bumper on the Honda Fit. I was driving down the freeway and a truck hit a wheel that was on the road. Wheel had a tire mounted on it. The wheel popped up in the air. I did slam on the brakes, but it did hit this part of the bumper right here. And it left a rash, which it's either rubber or it scraped some of the red paint off the bumper. Let's see if I can remove it. Before I try the rubbing compound, let's see if the WD-40 will remove that. I'll be darned, look at that. WD-40 for the win. If this doesn't work, I was going to go with the citrus cleaner. If that didn't work, I was just going to go with the rubbing compound. That's pretty amazing. I'm going to clean off the WD-40 with some window cleaner. Put a coat of wax over it. And that's it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.